Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan, Assistant Teacher, Agriculture, Greenfield School and College. Dear student of class 7, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to discuss about some important creative questions with answers on chapter 4. You know that the title of chapter 4 is Agriculture and Climate. I have recently finished all the lessons of chapter 4. Now I am going to discuss about some important creative questions on this chapter. The first question of this chapter is, though Sadiq's home is situated in the area where it rains lightly, still a lot of vegetables grow there. Once Sadiq accompanied with his mother to his uncle's house at Tilatol in Chittagong and carried some fresh vegetables with them. One day he suddenly noticed that the sky suddenly got covered with deep dark clouds and stormy wind started blowing, and then it began to rain. The first question of the above passage is, what do you understand by season of crops? The answer of this question A is the time range between sowing and harvesting is known as season of crops. Very simple answer. The question B, explain the reason of calling potato a vegetable of cardinal temperatures. Easy and simple answer of this question is, temperature influences survival of plants. For survival, plants choose minimum, optimum and maximum temperature. These three temperature points are known as cardinal temperatures. Potato is a crop of cool season. That means it is a rabi crop. For potato production, minimum temperature is 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Optimum temperature is 25 to 31 degrees Celsius. And maximum temperature is 31 to 37 degrees Celsius. That is why potato is known as vegetable of cardinal temperature. Now I am going to read the question C. In the light of the scheme above, describe according to the season the characteristics of the crops of agro area where Sadiq belong to. The answer of the question is, Sadiq's home is situated in the area where it rains slightly, but a lot of vegetable grow there. From this, it is possible to say that Sadiq's home is situated in the AEZ 3 and 4. It rains slightly in these regions. Intensity of cold and hot temperature is very high. During Rabi season, cold is higher than the other season. Different winter vegetables like tomato, radish, cabbage, cauliflower, wheat, lettuce finger, chili, groundnut, etc. are growing in this region. Transplant house, broadcast almond, jute, corn, brinjal, etc. in Kharif 1 season and transplant almond in Kharif 2 season grow well here. Now I am going to read the question D. Question D is, compare the weather types of Sadiq's area with that of his uncle's precinct. The answer of this question is, Sadiq's house is situated in agroecological zone 3 and 4. His home is in a highland of a sandy soil strip area far from sea. Intensity of hot and cold is very high here. Drought occurs here in summer. Another mentionable characteristic of this region is that it rains slightly during monsoon. Less storm and rainfall occur here. Sadiq's uncle's home is in Tilatola of Chittagong district. It belongs to AEZ 23. Chittagong belongs to AEZ 23. It is an area at the foot of the hills with a coastline. Characteristics of this area are low intensity of cold and hot weather, but has high occurrence of storms and rainfalls. Often, sky becomes covered with black, dark clouds, followed by heavy rainfall and gusty wind. Now go for the next question. Look at this circle. There is A, B and C in this circle. Here is written middle to March and here is written middle to September. This graph indicates the season of crops growing on the basis of 12 months. Here it is written that graph of agricultural season on the basis of 12 months. That means this is Rabi, this is Kharif 1 and this is Kharif 2. This is the Rabi Kharif 1 and Kharif 2 indicate. Now question A. In how many regions has Bangladesh been demarcated on the basis of weather and climate? The easy and simple answer of this question is Bangladesh has been demarcated in 30 agroecological zones on the basis of weather and climate. Now question B. Explain under what circumstances contamination of diseases spread during winter. The easy and simple answer of this question is in winter season sometimes dew and fog increase air humidity which in turn creates a favorable environment for spreading diseases. In this way, crop is very easily affected by diseases. Now, question Nong C. Explain the reason why irrigation is not much required in the part of the agricultural season identified in graph 3. In the graph, answer is extensive irrigation is not needed in a part of the graph. A part in the graph indicating Kharif 2 season. Look at this graph. This A part indicating Kharif 2 season. So we do not need irrigation in this season because here rain occurs. Duration of this season is in English month from mid-January to mid-September and Bengali months from Ashar to Bhadra. This is mainly monsoon season. In these seasons, a lot of rainfall occurs and air humidity is high too. This is why no additional irrigation is needed in this season. Now, last question of this. We will evaluate the impact of temperature on the crops of agricultural seasons marked as C in the figure. Here it is C. C is Rabi. So I have to answer it. Answer of the question D is C indicated season is Rabi season. Duration of this season is from mid-March to mid-September. There is low temperature in this season. For survival, plants need minimum, optimum and maximum temperature. These three types of temperatures are known as cardinal temperature. Crops of cool season require minimum temperature of 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. Optimum temperature is 25 degrees Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius, and maximum temperature of 31 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius for their germination and growth. Rabi crops of Bangladesh are wheat, potato, chickpea, lentil, cauliflower, nolkhol, etc. The temperature in which these crops prefer to grow has exactly the same temperature the Rabi season. This temperature is very useful for this crop production. So this is the simple answer of this question. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video, I will show you some another creative questions of chapter 4, Agriculture and Climate. Thanks for watching this video.